Tung Chung, Hong Kong. Sobrang taas eh. Sobrang taas ng building. Tung Chung. Tung Chung, Hong Kong. Dito malapit dito yung cable car. Dito yung harap. Ito yung MTR station ng Tung Chung. Exit B para makapunta ka ng Tung Chung cable car. Ang lawak dito sa harap ko. Shopping mall yan. Shopping mall. Shopping mall. Andun yung cable car.